What's up guys, this is Fred from Influencer Unchained, and a few months ago I made a video about passive income websites and apps you can stack up to supplement your income. And now, because I've since discovered new sites and apps, as well as refined my list to remove those that don't work anymore, I decided to bring you guys a quick update with a total of 33 websites and apps to make you an actually significant amount of money online virtually without doing anything. Now, even though some of these do not work worldwide, I've made sure to include at least a few that do, that I'm personally using as well. And before we begin, do me a quick favor and smash the like button to help this video out and to subscribe to my channel for more videos about making money and starting a business online. And with that, let's get right into this video. So first, before we actually get started, I want to just first explain that there are some apps or websites on this list that are quite similar. So to not waste your time, for those in the same category, I'm mostly just going to be describing them together. Also, I want to give a couple of shoutouts to Fishering on the Beer Money subreddit and also Tom from the This Online World blog for posting about a lot of the apps and sites I'll be going through today. And now, for number 1 on this list, we have Brave Browser, which is a Google Chrome based browser that actually pays you for clicking on links that occasionally show up while you browse the internet as you normally would. Functionally, because it's built using open source Google software, it's pretty much the same as Chrome, and people have even mentioned that it's better in terms of keeping your data safe, not to mention that you can even earn passive income with it. All you need to do is to download it, then after you import all of your bookmarks from your previous browser, you'll be good to go. However, cashing out from Brave can be a little bit tricky because you actually have to use your tipping system to tip yourself, but it's actually quite straightforward to set up, and I'll also include a link to my video tutorial for that in the description box below. Now, moving on to number 2 on our list, we have an app called Cash Money that I'm personally running on my old Android phone, as you can see right here. And what it is it allows you to earn by installing apps, similar to Feature Points, but the key difference is that Cash Magnet actually automatically opens these apps and views ads on them completely passively. For example, here as you can see, if I just show you my phone again, it is indeed running through these ads passively. It is preferable to use this on an older phone because you can't really use your phone while it's viewing ads, but if you don't mind letting it run while you don't need to use your phone, it can still give you a little bit of extra income. Plus, you can also run it on multiple devices to multiply your earnings. Next, moving on to numbers 3 through 6, we have a group of apps that actually pay you for receiving texts. And again, you don't have to do anything except download them onto your phone and keep them running in the background, which doesn't drain your battery or performance. And the first of these apps is called MC Money, followed by SMS Profit, Money SMS, and Control My SMS. And for this, I also link below a tutorial for how to install them because you can't actually take the traditional route of using the App Store. Now the next one here is one of my favorites, and if you've seen my older videos, you would have heard me mention it before, and it is at number 7, Honeygain, which is available on PC, Mac, and Android devices. And what it does is it takes a little bit of your unused cellular or Wi-Fi data and turns it into processing power to run market research with safe business partners. Therefore, it's really good if you have an unlimited cellular data plan or fast Wi-Fi at home because you can run it without worrying about paying extra bills or slowing down your internet. And if I just show you my dashboard really quick, I currently have $10 worth of credits in my account, and that's after already successfully cashing out $20 just a few weeks ago. Granted, I do have a lot of referrals from whom I earn 10% of their earnings, and if you'd like to sign up through my referral link to get $5 credited to your account right away, I'll leave a link below in the description box for that as well. Next up, from 8 all the way through 16, we have a series of sites and mostly apps that are a little bit similar to Honeygain, but different in that instead of using up your internet data, they collect data regarding your device or computer usage behavior. Now, some people may not like the sound of their usage patterns being analyzed, but rest assured that all these companies do serve by regulations that keep your data safe and anonymous. And starting from number 8 here, we have Phone Paycheck, which as it says here, pays for letting it use your smartphone processor while you're not using it. Next, we've got Panel App, followed by AppOptix, Embee Meter CX, Smart App, Nielson Mobile Panel, Savvy Connect, Mobile Performance Meter, and finally Loginhood, which does something similar but is instead a Chrome extension. Again, any of these ones you have access to can indeed be stacked, but I wouldn't necessarily put them all on your main device unless you really need the money. But even though these can be a little taxing on your device, taking up a small percentage of your processing power each, they also tend to be some of the highest paying apps on this list, with each one paying out at least a few dollars per month, with even some paying more than $10 per month, which again is significant for not having to really do anything. And before we move on to the next website, I also want to point out that among these usage data collection apps, there are also a few more that I'm actually excluding from this list that have been somewhat popular before, but don't seem to be working properly as of now. And the first of these is LowTeam, which should actually be legit, with just a couple of users saying that it could come with malware, but it could very well be that it doesn't and that it using your data and power was misunderstood as such. But just to be safe, I thought I'd include it here anyway. Next, on the real blacklist, we have Mobile Expression, which doesn't seem to be paying users lately. And lastly, we have FluidStack, which has recently discontinued service for PC users and now only exists on Linux. Moving on to number 17, we've got a bit of a different one that requires you to run it on your browser, and it's GGTU, which is one of the best offer wall sites that also comes with Hideout TV, which is a way to autoplay videos to make money on autopilot, although it does earn quite slowly. But it is one more site you can stack onto the rest, so if you're interested, I'll also leave a detailed tutorial for this in the description box. And somewhat similarly, for the next website, we have one that works worldwide called Ebesucher, and it's a website that earns you money by playing ads automatically on one of your browser tabs. And as with many of the previous sites and apps on this list, I'll also leave a link to my video for it in the description. Next up, at number 19, we have a pretty niche Chrome extension called Conversationally, which collects data specifically from a smart speaker like Google Assistant or Alexa and pays you $5 automatically each month for just that. However, I do believe you have to be in the United States though. And next at number 20, we have UpVoice, which is another Chrome extension that pays you for visiting popular social media sites you would likely visit anyway, like Facebook and LinkedIn. And even though you do have to visit some of these sites manually, most people probably visit them enough as is anyway, which makes UpVoice pretty much passive. Moving on to number 21, we have an app called S'more, which pays you for putting ads on your lock screen, which you can just still swipe away easily to unlock your phone, and it's just another great one to stack on top of everything else. And finally, from apps 22 all the way to 32, I've compiled a collection of great apps that help you save money while shopping or after the fact by scanning your receipts. Across all 11 apps, you'll be able to get cash back for pretty much anything, whether it be physical retail or online, from groceries to dining to traveling and even getting gas. And for the first app, we have Receipt Pal, which pays you for scanning your receipts, and similarly, you can do pretty much the same thing on Receipt Hog and also Coinout, and these apps are all independent of each other, so you should be able to upload your receipts to each of them. Moving on, we have Paribus, which actually checks your online shopping receipts and gives you cash back. And then Fetch Rewards, which you can specifically scan your grocery shopping receipts with. And to round the last few out, we have Pay, which links to your credit or debit card and checks for cashback opportunities. As well as Drop, Dosh, Rakuten, and Ibotta, which covers a wide variety of shopping and gets you cashback and points for shopping through them. And finally, last but not least, at number 32 on our list, we have GetUpside, which offers you cash back when you shop through them for gas and certain restaurants and grocery shopping. And that was the current iteration of what I believe to be the best passive income apps and websites you can use to supplement your income. Yeah, you aren't going to get rich from using them, but stacking enough of these could still give you a significant enough boost. And if you liked this video or found it helpful, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos about making money online and starting a business online. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace.